Hey guys, what's going on? Adrian here with Mckaig Chevrolet Buick, and we're going to be showing you how to work the steps on this 2021 Chevy High Country. Now, for the most part, they look like regular steps, right? But they're not. They're power steps. The great thing about them is that as soon as you open them, they slide open. Not only that, let's say for instance, I keep a gas jug, but I can't reach it, right? Well, not to worry. There's a step on the side that you press. Whoa! Tell me you're not going to impress your friends with that. You get that done. As soon as you're done, you press it again. And when you're done using them, you close the door. Come on. So, any questions on how to utilize this or how to put it on your vehicle or how to order one of these vehicles with these steps, come see us. We work at a Chevy store here in Gladewater, Texas. My number is 903-746-4630. Thank you.